So, welcome back, broskies and sisters, to our reaction channel. Welcome back to another reaction video. And if this is your first time, let me officially welcome you on board. Over here, we react to funny content. We just want to have a nice time, get some laughter, and be on some positive vibes. We don't do too much. You feel me? And if this is not your first time, thank you for coming back and checking out our reaction video. I fuck with you, and thank you for fucking with me as well. Today I wanted to like go back to how it all started, because I didn't react to Nigerian funny TikTok content in a while. That was how we actually started this channel. We used to react to funny content from Nigerian content creators on TikTok. So today I wanted to do something I didn't do in a long while. So today we got another video compilation, Nigerian funny TikTok compilation. So let's check out this video and let's laugh. And if you're Nigerian out there, I hope you, even if you're not Nigerian though, I hope you enjoy this one. So let's check out this video, bro. I don't want to waste none of your time with a long ass intro. Let's go straight into the video. Wait. Some of you might not understand because it's mostly this video, it will be in English, but it will be like the Nigerian English, the Nigerian pidgin English, so you might not understand, but just you'll get the vibes anyways.
Landlords, calm down. I don't like the way this they based on how they expect level doors. And the car one buy, but if you see a better car, I'll bring this rolling gate, more remove this gate and they open. You just shall up. Now you start Yahoo. I'm Pluto. If I know they do Yahoo now, what do I be plutomanian? Pluto. Stop this thing. Hello, me offend you. See me say wahala. That's why I give you house. From Naresilio, you upgrade the enter POP. I not talk. No. Outside compound now. You don't flood the floor. Now you want to remove gates. You not get papa. Oh, Pluto way. Go and renovate your father's house. Oh, you be my picking. My papa's house and here they stay. Somebody renovate where they stay.
Oh, wait, what?
Notice they wait for you so. Nobody. Quick notice, you shall see. You want to renovate my house. No, before you know now, you say you want buy house. That's all now. If I don't get 12 doors, I'll buy the house. You say what? 12 doors. Anybody touch this thing again. Step up your surplus. When they go now, when they party sleep, I can't do it. Plutomanian to the crib, man.
How you renovate house when it not be your own? What? How you renovate house when it not be your own? That's crazy, bro. Wait, what? So for the contest, for those who didn't understand what's going on, he is living in the apartment. He rented the apartment, right? The old man is the owner of the apartment. He is the landlord. And the plutomania guy, he's like, he was renting the apartment, but he's renovating the apartment. And it's not his apartment. He's renovating the apartment that he's just renting. That's crazy. Damn. Battle of the pregnant women. That's okay.
Huh? I don't want to work with you again.
Ah.
Why? The baby said you are too short and does not want to be working with short people again.
What?
Work with that tall man.
What?
Baby, my baby said you are too tall like Iroko tree. Yeah! I want to work with that short man.
If I don't understand, sure the baby say I'm too tall.
That's what the baby said.
Oh, best meal. Come on, move, let's go home, dog.
Hey, yo.
Okay, I'm short. 1 minute.
Bros,
Yo.
bros, I beg, I can see. My wife here say I too short. Say now tall person won't follow Waka. I don't know, maybe if you can't follow my wife Waka.
This evening you will die.
Even my wife say she say I too tall. Say she won't follow short person Waka.
You like what you see?
Since it be like this, who swap wife? Carry my wife, make I carry your wife.
Bro, what the hell? Bro, what? Hey, why are pregnant women so dramatic, bro? I mean, I know it's the hormones and everything, but sometimes you guys are dramatic, bro. Pregnant woman we use pregnancy as an excuse to slap the man and be like the baby is feeling some type of way and shit. Pregnant women, especially the Nigerian pregnant women, you guys are way too dramatic, man. I beg, calm down, calm it down a notch. This guy.
Are you just going to stand here and say nothing?
Why is he talking in a polo t-shirt in a sweatpants? What the hell kind of style is this?
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Fine. My name is Bobo. Mommy's boy.
Bobo.
Mommy's boy.
Okay. It's nice to meet you, Bobo.
What's your name?
Sunshine.
Wow.
Ooh.
What a beautiful name.
Bobo, why are you backing me?
Oh, I'm not too. Roses are blue. Oh.
Calm down and talk to me. What do you want?
Your number.
The moist. Oh.
The mo is what?
My mommy said I should come and quickly collect your number. So please, can you?
Collect my number for what? You know what? Go and meet your mommy, eh? Tell your mommy that I will not give you my number.
Damn.
She will be angry with me now. Will you pass it tomorrow?
No, I won't.
Where will you pass?
Do you want to come and meet me there?
No, I will. Tell her I want to.
Please, just go and meet your mom. I don't have time for this. Thank you.
You are leaving? Tell me bye now.
It be like that sometimes, man. I mean, it be like that sometimes for real. It be like that. It be like that sometimes for real, man. Like guys without game. It be like that sometimes, though. As a guy, you have to have game though, because I remember when I was young, God, it was hard to talk to a guy like this, brother. It hard, man. It was hard. I would only just chat. But after a time, like meeting them in person became like, it's cool. Even right now, but the thing is, don't go after a girl who doesn't like you. You have to be sure she likes you. Otherwise, bro, it will be so awkward.
That's when them bounce, bro. They go affect men, oh. Dirty money, who be this now?
Now new artist be this. You know, say the other one say you want give and time. Based on you say many songs they head. So this one ain't go sing well. This one almost sweet. Cut it, baby.
How far? Sure, say you get a good track.
Good die, Baba long, wallahi. I go back. If you ask the video, say.
If you don't know the video, why want to sign up?
Baba, we rise by lifting others. Not so the matter take.
How many this kind of person now will come rise after we don't lift time? You got to talk, say we don't lift time. Nobody pave way for them.
Baba, now I come here. I lawyer, I swear to God.
What be your name?
Ologo.
You know, tell me say your name now. Which kind of name?
Baba, you know as.
Artist go to be on logo. How that kind of want to trend?
Baba, na small go blow.
I play your song now. 1 year.
I shower, I carry 2 this morning, said I can't pay. The matter shock me, they put me for electric. I don't dey grind for years, not where my time go come. Shout out to people where they listen when I drop new song. Time no go wait for you, I no go wait for time. Enter my lap, you make I bomb, that guy they waste my time. Talk too much, I block.
Is it your blood Bluetooth?
No, now the lyrics of the song, we go listen to Ram, now the lyrics.
How far? I don't do I like this song. This song makes sense.
Show him, come on, buddy.
How far? Come, Baba, come. Make this guy swear for our record label.
Baba, for music matter, that's what they do for you.
Yo, swear, we know they sign for opinion. I swear we they swear.
Baba, we rise by lifting others, now what you...
Yes, after we don't raise you go up. Maybe they remember say you swear for this record label. Maybe you not go move.
Tie them down.
Nobody here do want to give this idiot to us. Pluto! Hey, why you they shot now? Out of that, they say, how many people they stay this apartment? Me and my babe. You said what? Now you and your babe nice slippers for outside. Pluto, me and they get boys now. You get boys. You get boys. Yo, not they come outside. Call your boys come outside.
Yo.
Dirty money. Dirty money. Okay, 1, 2. You come here, you go. Osa. 4. 5.
Yo.
They see they come out.
Yo.
The rest they kitchen they cook. Oh, Papa, no, Papa. Oh, so no wonder. My soccer went the quick food. a day. Pluto!
No, not be plutomanian. They finish your water.
Now they bath?
No.
Dirty money you they bath?
No.
Rag billions you they bath?
Rock billions.
So, oh, Soro, no problem. You wait for me. That week notice why I tell they threaten you. Now today you go read this year. Now follow me at the course. So, hello. After me, I enter as you. Come let me go buy fuel on 2 doors.
he don't give a fuck, bro. He doesn't care. He doesn't care, bro.
This course, country, yeah.
You don't say I never chop since yesterday.
You mean now?
I be like person with the joke.
I don't know now.
You say you owe me 500. You owe me 500. Bro, but who is see rice this afternoon?
Omo, they share food for children for that side. So I just go collect for my niece.
That corner?
Yeah.
You serious?
Small children.
That's small children, though. Small children have grown ass. Ooh. Grown ass man want to go chop food. She's not a child, bro. She's not a child. She's not a child. Nah, these guys are crazy, bro.
Who are you? Would you leave this place?
Nah, that's crazy, bro. See, the thing about content creating, yeah, you have to be ready and willing to put yourself in some of the most unconventional and some of the most, what's the word I'm looking for? You have to be willing to put yourself in some crazy situations, bro. In some weird situations, bro, as a content creator. That's crazy. Look at 3 grown ass men with diapers on rolling on the floor crying for content, which is nice, by the way. So yeah, you have to be willing to put yourself, into some crazy situations, something you wouldn't really normally do. But yeah, that's the perks of being a content creator, dude. That's crazy. Damn, bro. What the hell is that?
I don't understand wetin dey happen. Oga, wait. I don't understand wetin dey happen. You no go come my house, come follow me play game. They do me this guy. Oga, me na Ballon di Mala. This thing na disgrace. He go outside now. They spoil my name. This na disgrace, Oga. I better pass this boy now. Why you go dey do me like this now? Why you go dey do me like this now? Me na Ballon di Mala now. What you be on this one? Oga, they come out from my house. They go outside. Oga, they come out from my house.
When they come your house, come beat you 17-0. That's crazy, bro. I remember one time. So I remember one time, a friend of mine, right? He has like a PS4 in his house. So we usually go there and play PS4 and everything. Before, I would whoop all their asses, bro. Like 2 years ago, I would whoop all their asses. But eventually, with time, they got better, obviously. But there was a time, even when he became better, there was a time. We play in his house anyway, so I went there, bro, and I gave him like, I think about 7 or 8 nil or 9, about 7, 8 or 9 nil, bro. It was crazy, but he did get me one time. I think he gave me about 6 nil or something, but I gave him about 8 nil or like 9 nil. That was crazy. Oh man, we always fight. No, like fist fight or like physical fight. It's like on the game, it's always like a war, because of all our friends, of all our in the friend group of all our friends, I'm the one they don't really want to lose to, and I hate losing, bro. I don't ever want to lose a game, and they don't want to lose as well. So sometimes, even when they are losing, they don't want to lose like a handicap. They always want to have at least 1 goal. If they don't get like 1 goal, if it's like a clean sheet, that's the worst one. Never a clean sheet. I can lose, but I hate to lose anyways. I don't even want to lose. But if he scores about 3 goals in like the first half, now my mind is, oh my god, I have to make sure I get 1 goal. Same as his thought as well. If I'm winning like 3-0 or 4-0, he'll try everything possible to make sure it doesn't end up as a clean sheet. It's always a fight, bro. It's always a war. That's crazy. But we enjoy it.
Just
not go drop that money now. No be your money. You did take come. Look at you.
I'm looking for madam now. They're here for the work.
Okay, so join that lady. Wait.
Okay, over there.
Just she's coming down.
No problem.
Chairman.
Check
your bag. Like your money down. Okay.
It's not your cash, bro, and you taking it as well. How many of you will be
I just wait for the madam.
Thank you. And you can use this one and hold on now. Use it now. Thank you. Thank you for telling me. Hey, thank you.
How many of you will be like, nah, it's not mine, and return the money? Some of you would not do it. Me personally, I'll do it.
Okay.
I'll do it.
Just see that place where those two people. And then we wait for madam. She
I think this one will pass it.
Hey, check like this. Just 4 points.
I'm sorry. It's not my money.
This one?
No, it's not my money. I'm sure it's not my money.
Take yourself well.
No, I'm sure it's not my money. I didn't come with such amount of money.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's not my money.
Who can't drop this kind of money here?
Now, wow. Calculate them.
Look at it.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
How are you?
We are fine, ma'am.
Welcome. What's your name? Sandra. Are you?
My name is John.
John.
Yes,
Are you?
ma'am.
My name is Cherish. Oh, Cherish. You're welcome. Okay, you came for the interview, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. It's all right. That's very fine. I told you guys that the interview will start around 9, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Actually, I saw everything that happened through the camera in my office. So the interview is already done.
Done. Thank you.
It's already done.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
What's that your name?
My name is Sandra.
Sandra.
Yes. My own name is John.
John, I know.
Yes,
And you are? I'm Cherish. Okay.
Yes.
Bro, what the? What? What? Bro, what? That. Yeah, I guess that I guess that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this one anyways. I was enjoying it. I won't like the last part of it. I don't like how it ended. There was something missing for sure. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll react to more videos. But for now, have a nice day, have a nice night, have a nice evening whenever you're seeing this video, and I'll see you on the other. No, I'll see you on the next video. We out. Peace.